hope you all are having a great day. Julianna and Joe here up in upstate New York at this beautiful test kitchen. One of the things that we love about our job is getting to meet with so many great chefs like Mr. Craig behind the camera and everybody here. Meeting with so many different talented chefs and eating delicious food is one of the best things about being in the food service business.
Yeah, and as we travel around the world, y'all follow us, and you see that we the best thing about it of what we do, we get to eat food, as Julianna mentioned, and whereas up here in upstate New York, we have some of this great equipment here from Rationale, and it's an awesome time up here, and hope everyone's having a great day, and we're going to enjoy some great food here in a little bit.
Great food, great people. Follow along.
See ya.
See ya.